Kyorahi was a good experience. Kyorahi is a traditional mode game.
Kyorahi is amazing.
Points are scored by throwing the key at the taboo.
There are two teams that are Taniwha and Kioma.
There are 7 pose.
There are two teams in Kyorahi.
Kyorahi is fun. It is the legend of Rahi Tuitakahina.
Kyorahi is a time to remember peace and harmony.
Isn't it the truest game of our ancestors?
That is about fucking for long.
Kyorahi is a game about our ancestors.
Kyorahi is an interesting game.
Kyorahi is a fun game.
Kyorahi is cool.
Kyorahi is fun.
Kyorahi is about what is that game?
Kyorahi is an awesome game, and I think everybody should try it.